Hey guys, what's up today? It's the Casual Coder, and today I'll be going over probably the best investing platform in New Zealand. It's called Sharesies, and so right now I'm just going through my Sharesies portfolio. What you can see is that Sharesies offers a range of funds, ranging from growth funds in the US to NZ bond funds, but they also offer the opportunity to invest in New Zealand-based companies that are listed on the NZX. What I really like about Sharesies is how comprehensive the statistics are, especially for someone who's a newbie investor like myself. As you can see, the UI is really fluid, and the navigation is really easy. So right now I'm browsing through funds, and like I said, there's a range of funds that you could get involved with or start investing with. And what differentiates Sharesies from a lot of other New Zealand-based investing platforms is that there's no real minimum investment. You can invest as little as 10 cents if you wanted to. And how that works is that they use fractional shares. So if a company was, say, $10, I could put a $10 a share. I could put $1 in, and I'd get a fraction of a share. Now I'm going into the company details, and as you can see, there are a range of companies, NZ companies, that are listed on here. Is that Sharesies will invest for whatever amount you set. Say, for example, you invest $10 every week, every 2 weeks, or even every month. Sharesies will invest their money for you into wherever you specified. As you can see now, I'm going into the company section. More specifically, the restaurants brands. As you can see, going into each individual stock, you have a range of information again. So the price history of 1 minute, 1 week, 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 1 year, and 5 years, and the changes over that time. And as you can see, I've invested in multiple points over the past year. Sharesies offers other information like an overview of the stock, as well as information about your own investment, as well as when you made orders, the price of the share at that time, and so forth. Now I'm going into the wallet section. What the wallet section really just shows is basically how much money you invested over time. It tracks how much money you currently have on you, in cash, as is the name wallet implies. It shows your order history, and also shows the value of the dividends that were paid out to you. Now I'm going to switch to my phone, and as you can see, Sharesies is really well designed on the mobile as well. You can operate essentially exactly the same as you would do on the computer. It's just in a mobile format, and basically that's about as much as I'll cover today, guys. If you guys want to do any more videos about Sharesies and just investing as a student, feel free to let me know in the comments, because I definitely think that's something I would like to do as well. Just share my tips, because I'm still learning as well, and just my experiences investing. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.